Hi folks, as I scan through the things I like to watch, Tiffany B's a YouTube influencer, a stripper, a college student, and something just caught me on her thumbnail. This is why I don't do thumbnails, because if you do a thumbnail wrong and you don't think logically and carefully, okay, I wonder if you can see that. Okay, black owned businesses hall. I don't mind that. It's pretty good. And I'm glad she promotes the black community. But look at that catchphrase right down below. Hashtag Black Lives Matter. Now, I have talked to several of my lawyer friends and on the phone, FaceTime and stuff. And we're discussing, and I say hello and hello to the kids and everybody. And they're telling me that she runs a chance of getting prosecuted because it's like hashtag Al Qaeda, hashtag ISIS, hashtag something else later on. She doesn't realize it. I guess her parents are very rich, or she had no idea what she's doing. It could be a combination of both. I'm not disrespecting Tiffany B, but I do recommend getting a bail bondsman and a trial lawyer and discuss what this nail's about. Now, if you remove Black Lives Matter, that's fine. It'll just be a black business-owned hall. But if you're trying to ride it on, it's going to bite you in the butt. This is why a lot of people who are celebrities, rich, leaning rich, the hammer is down on some places, and the hammer is coming. So they have all the time in the world. They're going to bring the hammer down. And if you get caught and you're getting the hammer down on you, you're going to have serious legal trouble. I guess your parents can afford $200,000 court trial. I sure can't. I can't afford $200,000 court trial if they find Black Lives Matter is a criminal terrorist organization. You're in a heap of bunch of trouble. This is plain and simple truth. Common sense. Okay? Now, I'll have a lot of my black friends say, oh no! And I keep telling them, do you have over $200,000 to go to trial to defend yourself? And I want the answer. And they'll backtrack and give me excuses. And this is the truth. All right? Plain and simple. Think before you put out a thumbnail. Think what you're going to put down. You don't want to do hashtag Hitler Youth Movement. That's bad. Okay? I'll catch you later. You guys have a nice fourth. And like I said, because Uncle Alan's old and feeble and all that stuff, I have people stop by and wave behind the patio doors. It's been really nice. And they still wave flags. Our flag. The American flag. So I'll catch you later, folks.